Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to force 165 Hz refresh rate on Motorola Signature smartphone. First, we're gonna have to open settings on our device. Let me open them through quick settings menu by tapping the gear icon right here. And then we're gonna have to go to display and brightness settings. So right here, go to display and then scroll all the way down until we see the display refresh rate option. Now switch it from smart and balanced to hyper smooth, and the hyper smooth mode will ensure you the smoothest and clearest experience by increasing the refresh rate of the screen to the maximum value. To make sure that the changes are applied, you can also restart the phone by short pressing power button and volume up keys at the same time and selecting restart. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.